Hi guys, welcome back to our IFX Weekly Analysis. So we were expecting a correction on the euro, and it happened. Then we were expecting a fall. The fall has happened. Now the question is, what happens next? So let's things are getting a bit complicated. So our analysis will be a bit longer than as compared to the previous one. On the monthly chart, as you can see, we had a very big bearish move that took us about 2 years. So we came out of that move and we started turning our monthly support area into resistance. These are basically zones, so doesn't matter if it's a bit higher or low. As you can see, it has been supporting a lot. So we turned this support area into resistance, and for the past for the past 2 years, 2023 and 2024, we were consolidating here, and we broke out from here. So now this area, which was a very big major high time frame support, should become a resistance. Currently we are bearish. You could argue we have a double top, you could argue we have a triple top or something, you could argue head and shoulders, any bullshit like that. We can't quantify, calculate price action. We just have to go with what the meaning of that price action. So the meaning here is we have an M formation, anything what you want to say, but we are bearish. So let's go to the weekly chart. So what's happening here? On the weekly chart, we are easily bearish. Yep, in a bearish channel, easily going down. Nothing to add here, except we are so do this. We are in oversold conditions, and as you can see, whenever yo reaches these levels, yo has a tendency to correct itself. But I don't rely a lot on the weekly chart. I have an experience working with the RSI on your USD on the daily chart. So what I would expect is we still have momentum that we can go down, and basically this area is 1.0339, the 1.340 should become a resistance, should start resisting. But as we were unable, even with a strong NFP, what happened on Friday, we were unable to close below the previous low. So, what I expect, as long as this week, what will happen, as long as we are not able to close below this low, we will be testing this area and maybe going back down lower, but we still need to close below this area, meaning 1.02216. If we can't close below this, what happens is that the price will start consolidating, and we may get a test of this trend line that is coming down on the bearish channel, and we may break out of it, but that is to be seen. For now, all I can say is that I expect the market to consolidate with the bears being stronger in the range, and the range being the top being 1.034, which was previously the bottom kind of. Yep. And I would like to keep on selling from that area. But on Monday, our focus should be if we are unable to close below this level on Monday, we will be retesting the top of this area, meaning almost 100 pips. We get a correction. Then we may continue back to the bottom of the range. So, main picture is for this week, we'll have a ranging market with bears being stronger. That's all. And if you break this area, I would like this to become resistance before selling here. Or else I would not like to sell at the lows. Yes, at the highs, at the support, which is now supposed to become resistance. I could sell there, but this area, no selling, bro. We will only be selling from the top of the range, and we may buy, checking price action, we may buy from the bottom of the range as long as this area holds. So we need to be careful. So best wishes, guys. Take care. We are due a correction in the year, a very big correction. We are due, and it will happen. But for that, we need the counterparties. For meaning, every trader needs to be selling for it to correct. So it may take some time. Yep. At least on this monthly area, this monthly support should now be tested at as resistance at least, meaning 1.055. So I will be trading mixed with the defined range that I have mentioned, selling from the top, buying from the bottom. So take care, guys. See you next week.